Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get WhatsApp on iPhone 16e. To get the WhatsApp app, you just need to simply go to the App Store. If you're not logged into your Apple account, then you will not be able to use the App Store. So you can do it in settings with the first option at the very top. You can just log into the Apple account. If you don't have it, you can also create it pretty simply. Now the App Store is loading. I'm just gonna close it and reopen. Maybe it'll load a bit faster. Let's also check the network connection. Okay, I think I'm connected to the wrong network, which will not be too fast. So now I should be able to go to the App Store. I'm gonna close it once again and reopen it. And you can see once I'm connected to the fast network, I can easily launch it, search for WhatsApp, and download it. I have this cloud icon, so it means that it has been downloaded to my account earlier. If you don't, then you will have the install button, and as you click on it, you'll just need to double click on the side button, then verify with either your Apple account password or your Face ID, and it'll start downloading the app. Now I'm gonna open it, and here you can just log in, set it up. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.